outside. Can you play that again? My little baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to the beach because today is my best friend's birthday. I'm gonna go to her house and I just want to show you guys what I got her and stuff because this video is gonna be out way before after her birthday. I give it to her. So here how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So cute. So inside that was like not even wrapped in there, but basically got her this whatchamacallit, high fragrance reed diffuser, and I love it because it has a turtle. And we're going to the beach, and in the back it says life is better at the beach, and I think that's just perfect because we're going to the beach. Then I just got her this perfume that's so cute. And then this mug that says it ain't easy being queen, and it says practice make perfect inside, and I think that's just beautiful. So and I also got her a card, which I forgot to put her name on the front, so let me do that now. I also got her favorite chocolate, which is hard because I put it in the freezer and then I put it in the refrigerator, so when I leave, I'm gonna take it out and hopefully it just stays normal, please. So I got her white mini Kit Kats and cookie and cream Hershey's, since those she likes those. So once these like cool down, because they're like cold, and this guy's coming over here because he thinks it's his treats, but it's not. But anyways, it's gonna look good in there, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm ready to go. I have my white tank top on, shorts, and my sandals. And I have my personal bag of stuff. So, I'm ready. Oh, okay, you guys can barely see me. There are guys in suits here. Hey guys, we are at the beach now, and I'm with Daniela. I showed you her gift this morning. I think I went over it. And so I'm here with Caitlin also. You were looking at me. We went into the water, but she didn't want to go in the water. But
my hair is straight. Like my hair's straight. Why I gotta like spend another 2 hours tonight doing it?
You're gonna have to wash it anyways. It's sandy.
No, it's not. Is it?
Kinda.
Mother. Oh my god.
You might as well just go on the beach now. But we spent like an hour maybe in the water.
Dude, yeah. And then, oh my, those waves.
Those waves. So, but it's her birthday. And everyone spam happy birthday in the comments. If you don't, it's gonna be so depressing.
Surfboarders.
They're over there. It's like zooming in all weird. Look at all these birds.
Alright, watch carefully. when I first saw tricks like this. I too was so amazed.